Hey guys, welcome back to Venomous Garage. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful day today. Today we're going to be changing the oil in the GT350 for the first time. Now the initial oil change of this car I had it done at the dealer just to make sure everything's copacetic. This time around I decided to kind of take it upon myself to see if I can accomplish it without any issues. Got a full case of oil. I'm probably only going to need 10, but it's good to have a couple of quarts of oil just in case I do go through oil consumption before the next scheduled oil change. Now, interesting thing about this filter I wanted to show you guys here. My car is a 2017 model, and the 15 and 16 and first half of the 17 models use the canister style filters right here. Mid-cycle, Ford decided to switch over to the cartridge style paper filters on these cars, because these canister style filters, because of the vibration in the vehicle, they were rattling loose, and obviously when a oil filter gets loose, we start having issues with oil leakage and so on and so forth. So the dealers they put on a stamp over here, if you can see, says you got to torque it down to 16-18 foot-pounds just to make sure that you have a tight fitting filter and you're able to not have oil leaks. So we're going to be trying to do that today. I don't have there's supposedly a oil filter removal tool that it shall be specific. It's supposed to have my chassis number on it, and they're supposed to send that to me, and they haven't done so. So when I called the Ford customer service, they're saying that I should contact the dealer that I bought it from. They're supposed to fill out some paperwork to do this. So I'll do that at a later time. You know, I'm sure I'll be able to do the oil change without it, and I'm going to see if I can torque it down correctly. So let's get to it. Hopefully we can do this without any hiccups. I'll try to document this as much as I can. So it's a little bit later on in the day today. I decided to wait till dusk so that it'll be a little bit cooler, because it was very hot today. As you can see, I have a full case of oil. I'm probably only going to need about 10 quarts here. I have my helper with the flashlight. He's going to help me, point me in the right direction, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The car is already on jack stands.
Time's on the car.
Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. This should be a pretty straightforward process I want to show you.
Yeah.
There's lots of videos on YouTube about it, but just to see if
Yeah.
it correlates, we'll go through it ourselves.
We make.
And there goes the oil. Alright, 10 quarts of oil inside. Check to see. Oil cap is tight. Good. Everything else is good. I did check torque specs on the oil filter. So now we're going to go ahead and turn on the car. Wait about 30-40 seconds. Check gauges. And before you take your first ride, make sure that you check your dipstick, make sure the oil level is within normal requirements based on the hash marks. And I've already done so. So we're going to wait it out till tomorrow. And I'm going to take my uncle, who's going to be visiting me, for a quick ride so I can show off the car to him. needless to say, he had a great time in my car. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.